Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nokuthula Qumba, and I thought this was full already, so I'm not dressed accordingly. But anyway, so I'm here to present a business idea called Pro Booth. So basically, Pro Booth is a concept whereby we're looking to open up a book cafe, 24 hours, that you will be able to go there, read a book, have coffee, and be able to meet people. The reason why we're doing this, so we found out that on our research, only 14% of people are actually reading for leisure. So we want to change that aspect. And already we're working with the company that I'm working with, AfriHost, to open up the first book club at work so that we work with what we have right now so that we can be able to move forward. So that is what Pro Booth is about. And when you go home, go read that book that you've been closing off for like quite some time. There might be something that you might learn there. Thank you.